Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Regular fried rice is great, but what's even more awesome is burnt garlic fried rice because it has that extra dash of garlic sprinkled right through it. So let's just get started with the recipe. For Chinese food, the most important thing is to get the wok nice and hot before you start cooking. Leave it empty like that. In the meantime, what you need is a good amount of rice. I had 1 cup of rice that was soaked in water and then cooked. This is regular basmati rice, but it was cooked yesterday. That's when you get nice fine separate grains of fried rice. So it was cooked yesterday, left in the refrigerator overnight, and today I'm ready to cook my burnt garlic fried rice with it. The wok is nice and hot. It's not very hot, but like moderately hot. And the first thing I'm going to do is add about 2 tablespoons of regular oil. And now to this, I'm going to add a good 3 tablespoons of finely minced garlic. That sounds like a lot, but this is burnt garlic fried rice, so you need a good amount of garlic. With the flame on low, just make sure that you keep moving the garlic around the pan in this hot oil. Otherwise, this could burn very quickly. You want to keep an eye on it, so don't walk away. And now you'll see that this has turned nice and crisp. The aroma is fantastic. So what I'm going to do is very quickly take out about 2 teaspoons of this fried garlic and just set it aside here for it to drain a little bit so that we can use it right in the end for garnish. That's it. Just let that drain on a paper towel. And now we're going to get on with the rest of the ingredients in this. I'm going to add about 2 spring onions, just the white part that have just been sliced up. Just fry the spring onions a little bit. And almost immediately add about 5 to 6 French beans that have just been sliced up very finely. Toss that around. Of half a carrot, again finely chopped. To this, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of some black pepper powder. All very fragrant and the veggies are nice and al dente. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Toss that around the pan. Now again, keeping the flame on low, add the rice to the wok, but do this in batches, making sure that the rice is nicely coated with the soy sauce and of course takes on the flavor of the burnt garlic. And now goes in the last batch of the rice for a quick toss through and mix it through really well. Everything is mixed together really well in the wok. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and at this stage you should add some salt. Of course, it's got soy sauce which has salt already, but I feel like it needs a dash more. So just go in with the salt, sprinkle that in, and very quickly mix it really well, because the residual heat from the rice will make sure that it gets mixed really well. Just the last couple of things to go in, just about 1/4 teaspoon of plain white vinegar, just balances out all the flavors, and just a small handful of the green part of spring onion, again just finely sliced. Mix that through. That's it. We're absolutely ready to serve up the burnt garlic fried rice. And the last bit that we need to do is, of course, top it up with the fried garlic that we had set aside for garnishing. Burnt garlic fried rice is a great way to use up leftover rice, and if you want to try more such recipes, linked below in the box you'll find recipes for egg fried rice and triple Szechuan fried rice as well. I hope you enjoy this recipe and subscribe to get curried for loads more.